through tomorrow as well. As I mentioned, there are some exceptions. Northeast England, some heavy showers now through Yorkshire, and the Met Office has issued a severe weather warning for Nottinghamshire, Derbyshire, Suffolk and Norfolk. Some heavy and thundery downpours, but these are exceptions to an otherwise fine and reasonably bright story. The best of the sunshine actually across southwestern parts of England through this afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. South Wales not doing too badly. Good news, of course, for the Test match at Cardiff. Patchy cloud, maybe the odd light shower, but basically dry. None too warm. We've still got that cool breeze, haven't we? So 16 or 17 is the best for many of us. Maybe a shower across Northern Ireland, very isolated. For Scotland, some showers across the Highlands and Grampians and a strong wind across the far northeast. But for the central belt, it's looking good. And for Loch Lomond too. The Scottish Open starting on a dry note, and it should stay fine again tomorrow as well. So a few showers across the east to end the day. They'll clear out of the way, and overnight it'll become dry just about everywhere. Clearing skies, and just like last night when temperatures got down to 6 or 7 degrees in one or two rural spots, pretty chilly for July. It will be another cool one. Towns and cities around about 9 to 12. So a fresh start to Friday, but a bright and sunny one. That's the difference. There'll be rather more sunshine tomorrow, I think, less in the way of cloud. And as a consequence, temperatures will be a notch or two up. So many places getting up into the low 20s. The wind's fairly light. Signs of a change across the far southwest, thickening cloud, maybe the odd spot of rain. Could be a problem with bad light late in the day at Cardiff, but mostly fine. That is not the story, I'm afraid, on Saturday. We might not see much play at all, I'm afraid, because weather fronts will be ganging up from the west. It's going to turn pretty wet. Sorry about the lack of picture here, but you get the picture. Yeah, it's going to be wet for a time at least across much of the UK. The reason, weather front steaming in from the west, as I mentioned. It will be a dry and bright start across the north and the east, and it could well take all day for that rain to arrive across Scotland, the northeast of England, but eventually it will turn wet and quite windy. Much of the rain, though, for many of us will be overnight, because through Sunday, brighter conditions will start to chase the rain away from the west. So the weekend, yeah, there'll be some rain, but by no means a write-off. There will be some dry and brighter spells as well.
Thanks, John. Sadly, we know what rain